If you want to know how to fix TikTok followers not showing problem, you've come to the right place. So let's open our TikTok and I'll show you all the ways of how can we check followers. So basically, if we want to check our own followers, we just simply need to visit the profile, then just click on followers in the top of the screen near our nickname. And here we'll be able to find all the followers we have on our account. The same way we can easily check the other followers. For example, for this guy, we can just simply open the profile, click on followers, and then we can easily find all the followers this guy have. In order to find our new followers, for example, all we need to do is just to simply click on inbox in the bottom of the screen and then just click on new followers list. So from this page here, we can easily find all the latest followers we reached on our account. But what if we won't be able to view the followers? So basically, sometimes people can hide their followers list. And what if we even won't be able to find our own followers? So in order to fix this problem, all we need to do is just to simply click on more in the right top corner on your account page. Then just click on settings and privacy right up here. Scroll down to find support and about and click on report a problem. So after that, we need to find the necessary topic as for us. I think as for this problem, the most suitable topic is account and profile. And here we need to click on manage account. And after that, as you can see, we can find all this stuff. So basically we don't have this feature here. We can also go to profile page to find something suitable as for us. And here we can find some other problems, but we won't be able to find the problem with followers showing. So let's click on other in the bottom of the screen. And here we need to click on no. So then we need to click on need more help. And then we need to explain our problem. So we need to write something like this. I can't see my followers. Help me, please. And then just click on submit. And in a few minutes, the TikTok support team will receive our report and probably they will help us. They will fix this problem. But make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok and your internet connection is pretty good. So after that, your problem will be automatically fixed. Hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.